Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. I'm going to show you very beautiful white colored Katan silk Banarsis. These are pure silk handloom Banarsi sarees with different combinations in its border and pallu. However, the body color is going to be white, fresh white and off-white. Since 15th August is coming, we thought why not show some beautiful white and off-white sarees. Starting with this gorgeous fresh white. Now this particular Katan silk has Meenakari Butta all throughout, and it has this lovely fresh purple color in its border. Very pretty. Both the borders are nice and narrow, so if you are somebody who doesn't want too big a border, don't want too broad borders, then this is perfect for you. So yes, this is it. The speciality of Katan silks is that they get draped very nicely. They are thinner in texture, very light in weight. They do not fluff up at all. It's a very beautiful draping fabric. So yes, this is it. Now this particular sari comes with a very pretty butta blouse. So these Katan silk saris will be priced somewhere between 13,000 to 15,000. That is the price range of these saris. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move on to the next one. Now the next sari has a very pretty combination. It is this beautiful fresh white and Firozi, a very pretty combination once again. Now this shade of white is once again very fresh. It's not at all yellowish. Very beautiful. It has a Meenakari Butta. When I say Meenakari, what I mean is that the Zari Butta is highlighted with a colored silk thread. So yes, this is it. Now this has a very pretty Firozi blue border. Again, the border is not too thick. Both side borders is equal breadth. This is the lovely pallu. And this is the gorgeous blouse. The price of this particular saree is 15,500. So 13,000 to 15,500 roughly is the price range. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Now the next color is one of the popular combinations with white. Now this particular saree is a beautiful white and pink. A very pretty color. Again, if you see, the butta is a Meenakari Butta. Beautiful pallu. Now the first three sarees were, I think, of the similar, the design was very similar, butta was very similar, border design is almost the same. This is how it looks. This is the gorgeous pallu, and this saree also comes with a beautiful butta blouse. There are many occasions wherein you want to wear white saree. Sometimes there is a theme, sometimes there's a particular ritual that you want to wear a white saree for, and these are absolutely gorgeous options for that. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Now moving on to the last saree of this video. The last one is white and red. When I start showing white sarees, there always has to be a beautiful white and red option. So yes, this is it. Now this particular saree has slightly copper toned zari all throughout. Very beautiful delicate butta. This is how it looks. The upper border is narrow, the lower border is slightly broader. So yes, this is it. This is the gorgeous pallu, and this saree also comes with a butta blouse. So this is the butta blouse. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our beautiful Banarsi sarees collection. All these are handloom Banarsis in pure Katan silks. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you visit the Pratha store, you will get to see a huge variety of beautiful handloom sarees, right from Kanjivarams, Gadwals, Paithanis, Banarsis, Irkals, Ikats. We also recently launched very beautiful Patola sarees. So make sure you visit our store. If it is not possible to personally visit our stores, make sure you visit our website, which is prathasarees.com. Thank you. Keep watching.